Hi guys, welcome back to Anyone Can Cook. If you're here for the first time, I'm Jamie and today we're going to be making cheesecake. As always, I'm going to try to make things as easy as possible, so let's get started. The amount of ingredients that I'm going to show you are good for a small cheesecake made in a 6-inch pan. But if you want a bigger cheesecake, just double up the ingredients and use a 9-inch or a 10-inch cake pan. We need all the ingredients to be at room temperature. For the cheesecake, we need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of sugar, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 ounces of sour cream. For the crust, 2 cups of graham cracker, 2 ounces of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and strawberries for garnish. I love making graham cracker from scratch, so if this is something you're interested in, please let me know down below in the comments and I can make a video. Otherwise, you can buy graham cracker at the store. Here's all the equipment we need. A couple of spatulas, a rolling pin, a Ziploc bag, a small bowl to combine the crumbs with the melted butter, also another bowl to mix the ingredients. Then you can use a standing mixer or a hand mixer. Also a small cake pan, a small brush, and a hotel pan. Keep in mind that cheesecake, it's a very delicate cake, so you need to make it one day and serve it the next. So the process is to bake it, let it cool down, and then refrigerate it overnight. The first step is to turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and then melt the butter so we can combine it with the graham cracker. Now we're gonna place the graham cracker in the bag. And now close the bag. Keep pressing down. Try to leave the bag just slightly open so that air goes out, and just keep rolling so you can get the crumbs as small as you can. So we're gonna combine the crumbs with the butter and the brown sugar. So let's start by adding brown sugar. Combine. Gonna add the butter. Okay, the crumbs are combined with the butter. I added just a little bit of oil to the cake pan so I can get the sides, and the cheesecake comes out very easily. You can press down with a large spoon. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna combine the ingredients for the cheesecake. So we're gonna start by softening the cream cheese. Now the cream cheese is very soft, so we're gonna add sugar and combine. When the sugar is combined in the cream cheese, scrape the bowl, then start adding the eggs one at a time. Let's add the other egg once the first one is combined. This is good. Scrape the bowl once again. Now let's add vanilla and the sour cream. So the vanilla is gonna add flavor, and the sour cream is gonna give it some tang. This is what is gonna make the cheesecake very rich, tangy, New York style. I just took this out of the oven, so it's very hot. So make sure you put it on a safe surface that you're not gonna ruin your table. Maybe work on top of your stove. Just find a safe place for the cake pan because it's very hot. Now let's add the butter. It will be great if it doesn't have any lumps, but if it does, it's okay. Believe me, it's not gonna ruin your cake. Still, it's gonna be perfect. So get everything out of the bowl. You need to preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. Now we're gonna put the cheesecake in the oven. So we're gonna place, if you can, put the rack right in the center of the oven. I placed the cake pan in a hotel pan, and it's better if you add the water when the pan is in the oven. This is hot water, actually warm, and you want to go just up to the center of the cake pan. The idea is to bake the cheesecake in a water bath for gentle and even heat. It should take about 45 minutes to an hour. So set the timer for 45 minutes. Check it. All right, guys, it's been an hour. We're gonna shake the pan. If the cheesecake doesn't jiggle, then it is ready. So now we're gonna let it cool down. So a little trick is you can put a spoon so the oven's slightly open and the cheesecake can cool down gradually. Then once it gets to room temperature, you bring it to a refrigerator and let it refrigerate overnight. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'm very excited. The cheesecake is set, so I'm gonna show you a quick trick on how to get it out of the pan. I have a container with hot water. And just gonna slide the knife right at the edge. Then we're gonna flip it on a cake pad. Then quickly put another pad on the top, flip. Now my favorite part, guys, I'm gonna show you a trick on how to slice the cheesecake. So you need a container with hot water, a sharp knife. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna dip the knife in the hot water, dry, and then cut. See, it's very soft that way. Dip it in the hot water again, clean the knife, and you get a clean cut every time. Perfect. And now we play, guys. We are ready for that. We're gonna get one slice of cheesecake. Look how beautiful that is. And then the cheesecake, it's so good by itself. So I don't think it needs any sauce or anything. But it's nice to maybe cut a strawberry. So it's like you're trying to slice it, but you don't go all the way. And you can fan out the strawberry. Just like that. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week.